Duggar fans slammed Josh's wife Anna as she was spotted holding hands with the disgraced star and supporting him at his child pornography trial. The former Counting On star has pleaded not guilty to 2 child pornography counts. Anna and Josh were seen arriving at the courthouse today while holding hands as the couple said nothing upon entering the building. The mom of 7 wore a black dress and a mask as she stayed close to Josh, who kept it low-key in a suit and tie. However, fans were not happy at all with the display as they were quick to take to Twitter to react. One person wrote, "I will never understand his wife. Protecting her children should be first and foremost in her heart, not standing by his side." Another added, "He has a past with pornography, and fondling sisters. I wish his wife would wake up for their children's sake." While a third chimed in, "Good grief, the wife looks like she's being dragged in there. But appropriately wearing her funeral dress." Josh's trial has gotten underway this week for child pornography charges stemming from his April 2021 arrest. He has been accused of possessing the sick images that were the worst of the worst that authorities had ever seen. Homeland Security Special Agent Gerald Faulkner said in May that downloads made from a specific file were in the top 5 of the worst that I've ever had to examine. The ex-reality star has been on home confinement and has been living with third-party custodians LeCounte and Maria Reber, who are longtime friends of his parents Jim Bob and his wife Michelle. Jim Bob speaks out. Jim Bob, 56, was forced to take the stand in an Arkansas court on Monday to testify on behalf of the prosecution in Josh's trial. However, he repeatedly claimed he couldn't remember the details of Josh's past admissions that he had touched the victims, who were called Jane Does 1 to 4, people reported. In 2015, Jim Bob had told police that Josh, 33, had confessed to touching underage girls in the family home between 2002 and 2003. "This was something for a young man to come forward," he said, calling it a juvenile record and a sealed case. "Are you going to allow it?" Jim Bob reportedly said to Judge Timothy L. Brooks, "I'm not going to allow it. Are you going to allow for that? If there is an objection to be made, someone will make it, but it won't be you," the judge replied. Critics slammed Jim Bob over his insistence that he couldn't remember the specifics of Josh's past molestation scandal. "I am so deeply hurt for the victims, and I am so disgusted by this piece of T excuse for a father," one person raged. Josh's admission. Josh admitted the molestation in a statement at the time on his Facebook page, however, he never faced charges. It has been said that Josh's trial could last until December 3, and if found guilty, he faces up to 20 years in prison. Amid all of the chaos, Josh and Anna welcomed their 7th child, a daughter they named Madison. He has had unlimited access to his children with Anna present.